Hi beauty babes, welcome back to Skincareedu. My name is Kendradawn, I'm a licensed esthetician, and today I'm super excited because this is the third video in a 3-part series on everything that you need to know about skincare and wearing face masks. So in the first video, we talked about skin conditions like acne and sensitivity and irritation that are arising from wearing face masks. And then in the second video, I was talking about pro tips to help you avoid those things and what to do when you're wearing a face mask. So check out those videos if you haven't seen them yet. And then today we are talking about my favorite thing, which is clinical medical grade skincare, because that gets you the results that you're looking for. And so we're going to break down the best products for you to use if you're experiencing sensitivity and irritation from face masks, and also if you're experiencing acne and breakouts. I have the perfect kit for you. This is the Skin Recovery Kit by PCA Skin, and all of these products work synergistically together to help to treat redness, irritation, and sensitivity. PCA Skin's products are free of synthetic dyes and fragrances, parabens, lanolin, and phthalates. And this is really important because all of those ingredients cause sensitivity to the skin, and we really want to do the best we can to minimize any added sensitivity. So these products are not only going to calm and treat your skin, but they're also free of any added irritants. Okay, so let's break down the products that are in the PCA Skin Recovery Kit. And first we're going to start with the cleanser. This is PCA Skin's Creamy Cleanser, and the Creamy Cleanser has rosehip seed oil, sunflower seed oil, aloe vera leaf juice, and it's just going to nourish and hydrate as it cleanses and removes any dirt, oil, and impurities from the skin, but it won't strip your skin of any natural oils, but it's great to use morning and at night every single day. This kit has 2 different correctives in it, and I love correctives because correctives are really going to target the specific skin condition that we're trying to treat. And this is the hydrating serum, and I love the hydrating serum because it has sodium hyaluronate in it, which holds its weight in water 1,000 times. So it's going to pull moisture from the environment and lock it into the skin to hydrate and soothe the skin. And it is such a lightweight texture. Any skin type and skin condition can use this, and it's just going to absorb nicely into the skin and just give you that plump, hydrated feel. All right, and this is the Vitamin B3 Brightening Serum. B3 is also known as niacinamide, and this baby has 6% niacinamide in it. So it's a really high percentage, a high concentration that is really going to help to prevent against transepidermal water loss. And it's also really great for improving the skin's barrier function. This advanced formulation really helps to reduce redness in the skin and just brighten and give an overall clear, bright complexion. There is also a blend of peptides and botanical extracts in here like mulberry extract and green tea extract, which are going to be really great for removing any unwanted pigment for that clear, bright complexion. So we have been seeing a lot of clients that have had that sensitivity and irritation, particularly from using the N95 masks, where it's a tight fit and there's a lot of pressure, typically right around the cheek area. And this is the Skin Procedure Ointment, and this is really great for creating that occlusive barrier. We want to use it sparingly in the areas that we're getting that friction and that pressure, and it can just be applied as a spot treatment and able to reduce that sensitivity and irritation. And of course, we need to protect our skin from UVA and UVB rays. So this is the Hydrator Plus Broad Spectrum SPF. It comes in a trial size. It's also reef safe. It has caffeine and added antioxidants in there to really help to protect your skin from free radical damage. And it's a great hydrating SPF that's going to leave the skin protected from any UV damage. And as an added bonus, you get a free PCA Skin face mask as well. Okay, this is such an incredible deal. This is the Skin Recovery Kit that typically retails for $281, but you are going to get it for $224, and that's a savings of $40 shipped directly to your door to nourish, heal, and protect your skin. Okay, and don't forget to hit that link below to get that kit delivered straight to your door. And if you are experiencing acne and breakouts, I have the perfect solution just for you. So you can use the Blemish Control Bar in the morning and the evening, and you want to leave it on the skin for 2 minutes because leaving that on will really help that salicylic acid to penetrate into the skin to give you the best results. And after you cleanse, you'll want to use the Acne Gel. Again, this one has a 2% salicylic in it as well, but this is a spot treatment that you'll leave on. So you can spot treat the areas that you are experiencing those breakouts to help to clear the skin. Salicylic acid is a beta hydroxy acid. It's lipophilic, meaning it loves fat. So it's going to help to dissolve those keratin plugs, help control sebum, so oil production, and clear those breakouts. And this is the Rebalance. The Rebalance is going to be great for hydrating the skin. It is a light moisturizer that's going to absorb into the skin and just calm and soothe as well. It has borage seed oil in it and evening primrose seed oil in it. So it's going to deliver a lot of antioxidants and will calm and nourish and hydrate the skin. And then last but not least, we're going to finish off with the SPF, and SPF is so important for any skincare regimen, but this is the weightless protection. So I love it for clients that are experiencing breakouts, acne, because it's going to be very lightweight and it's going to absorb nicely into the skin. This SPF also has a lot of antioxidants in it to nourish and protect your skin from free radical damage, and it's also reef safe as well. So you know you're doing something great for the environment. All right, beauty babes, that wraps it up for today. We have 2 solutions to help with sensitized, irritated skin. That's the skin recovery kit. And then also the products for helping with maskne or acne. And you will find both of those links below. So make sure to click on that to get that delivered to your door. And hit that like and subscribe button if you got value from this video. Also, feel free to leave your comments or questions. I look forward to answering them for you. And I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you guys on the next video.